So today we're sanding our beautifully painted parts from the paint booth. So as you see, I got my parts here. The finish is actually really nice. This is just primer, so I got to sand this primer. And we got another box here with the A-frames and the fender mounts and the rear control arms, lower control arms. So we're going to sand these today and get them ready to spray color and clear coat. So I want to tell you a little bit about my paint booth experience. But as you can see behind me, here's all my inventory in boxes. And then I also have basically a bed sheet on the ground. So when I'm pulling those boxes out, I'm not ruining my light carpet. So anyways, kind of a funny story about the booth is, I've been watching like Power Nation and, these TV shows, and they got the big spray booth and some of them have vents underneath, some of them don't, but they're in a controlled environment. And so here I am going, all right, I'm going into the paint booth. It'll probably be about like 85 degrees. It'll be great, you know. And I only have like one long sleeve shirt. So I grabbed this shirt. It's made out of nylon, which of course is horrible. But it's the only thing I got. I'm cool. I'm going in. And, you know, it's like 105 degrees out and there's no air conditioning because it's just a wind tunnel. And I'm like, oh, did not expect that. You know, it's like all these things I didn't expect when I went into this. And so, you know, I'm like dying in there and all that stuff. So this time I came prepared. I went and bought some Dunn Edwards cotton shirts, which are really cheap, by the way. It's like $7 or something like that. I bet even if you're a painter, you'd get them for like $4. You know, that went really, really well. So I'm really excited to get these parts back into that booth, get some color and some clear on it. And I can't wait because it's been so long. And this, you know, if anybody's starting one of these kits from scratch, the first thing you need to do is kind of acclimate yourself to all the parts of what's going on, which is you don't really do during inventory because it's like totally crazy. And then you take all those parts and you go get them painted and figured out as soon as possible. So make sure before the kit even comes that you know what colors you want. And you go take all that stuff out of all the boxes, go spray stuff, and you know, then it won't slow you up. And since some parts will be back ordered for 6 weeks, you have time, given that those are the parts that are not back ordered, but you have time to get that stuff done. So that's what I suggest. But until next time, have a great day.